Is it?
Yes.
What is the name of it again?
Stop.
Okay, it's my turn to review the Green Apple Spell Lemonade at Smoke Jumper's Grill at DCA. Give it a try. Halloween time only. Ugh. It's pretty good, but I don't really care for the sour cherry balls that are in it.
Pearls.
Cherry pearls. I give it a 4 out of 5.
Okay.
Okay, we're here at DCA with Gracie over at Smoke Jumper's Grill, and she's going to review the Green Apple Spell Lemonade with sour cherry pearls in it. Okay, give it a try. Jeez. What do you think? Sour and yummy. Try again. Good? Sour? What would you give it? 5 out of 5? Or 4 out of 5? Or 3 out of 5? What would you give it?
5 is the best.
5 out of 5? 5 out of 5? Okay. What do you think of it? Did you get one? What does it taste like? What does it taste like? It's hot?
No, it's
Oh, it just popped? Is it good?
What? Do you?
Looks like fish bait. Looks like salmon eggs in there. You ate salmon eggs. Salmon eggs. Oh my God! Rah, rah.